So I have 2 more products left in this unboxing. I have to save the best for last. I'm super excited. This one I did peek into. The Aiwa Arc-1 Bluetooth headphones. These were finally on sale. I never heard them ever, but I always felt like the $180, $200 they were being sold for was just a little too much to bite on. And I never really explored and researched them in too much, but just off the back for just Bluetooth, I was like, ooh, that's a little on the high side. So when I was really excited when they got marked down to, I think it was like $80. There was a huge saving on these with a coupon code, and I was super excited. So as you can see, they got that really cool way they were able to print the full headphone into the side piece. Why the plain packaging? To achieve our goal of double the hardware, meaning twice as much performance, we skip some frills. That's cool. They really do have a nice personality. I forget the name of the man who bought the company, but he's really tried to do the best he can to work it into a modern age where iconic Japanese and audiophile companies have come and go. And it's so hard to compete with the Bose and Sony that are just dominating and have, in some mind to some, me and I think a lot of the other, community of hi-fi people have seemed to just lose touch with what was the Sony and Bose of the time. And, it's good that companies like this have, at least tried to stay relevant, to their own uniqueness that they used to have. So the Arc ones I was really excited for, and I did have to break into this one to take a look at, and I was just too excited. But I really liked, so the letter in here it is, because it said exactly what I just said actually. And here are the headphones, and you can see my sweat is already on it. I actually fell asleep with these on last night. I actually was listening to the meows. But here it is. You get a quick start guide, a warranty, service and warranty product, the letter, which we're going to talk about, and the really nice case with the headphones. So we'll take these out. They come with some really cool, I actually have never taken these out yet, but I was looking at them, admiring them through the plastic. Really awesome red metal braided USB cord. It's almost like it's like padded. There's like a squishiness to the fabric, the braided fabric. Really nice and flexible, and then a really sweet, also complimentary gold hardware red 3.5 aux jack, so you can go wired. And then the headphones themselves, reminiscent of that B&O kind of system, except not with the hooked yokes. This is just, the regular fixed to the top. They got this interesting cut, as you can tell, where they sit forward. So this is the left, and this is the right. All the buttons are on the right, and I'll get you a look in case you didn't see. There's that same red branding and those big red cups with clearly labeled left and rights, and then this weird service at Aiwa.usa.com. I don't know why that's there. And then a part number. Really bizarre that they had to print that there, but I would have just liked the left and the right, kind of killing it for me. Pads, super comfortable. They look smaller than they are, but to a normal to medium size ear, they fit really good. I have like medium to just peeking into a large ear, and these fit well, and have been so far so comfortable. Haven't done too much more than an hour with them, but so far for just quick bus ride kind of thing, I think they'd be okay. I'm gonna get longer listen to them now that I've at least done the unboxing and play around with them. more, but so far I've been happy with them. USB charger over here, aux cord, microphone, plus or minus buttons for volume, the Bluetooth pairing button, and then the on button. And there's a really cool, if we take a listen, you can hear the little lady inside saying power on. I don't know if you guys heard that. Oh, paired. I think I just paired my phone. Let's see if you guys can hear that again. I'll bring it up.
Power off, disconnected.
Power off, disconnected. The LEDs right here turn white and green. I don't know if they turn red to indicate power, but we'll find out in the further review. Now, let's go ahead on to the letter. So it says, Dear Arc-1 customer, we know there are an incredible number of Bluetooth headphones on the market. Thank you for choosing ours. I really like that statement right off the bat. They're fully acknowledging how saturated it is between wireless headphones, Bluetooth technology. The whole audiophile community, or audio in general, is just blown up. The entire audio industry is just blown up. I don't know what patents have been expiring and what China's been getting their hands on lately, but there is so much out there, and so much of it has improved. The cost for performance nowadays is just something I could ramble on forever, but I really just appreciate that they just acknowledge, look, we get it, but we wanted to make one ourselves and do our best. So, they said, by now I hope you've had some time to sit and enjoy the incredible sound that can produce. Our vision is simple: to make an accessible Bluetooth headphone with better frequency response, low distortion. It's important to us that you're thrilled with your purchase. There's something about, I remember something that maybe I read it somewhere else about, the value of it, and it being, might be on the higher side than you might have expected, but that they really feel like that they justified that with the sound quality and build. And so far, I think they've met that. But we'll find out in the full review of that. On to our grand finale. Oh, okay, maybe they didn't make it through. This zipper's killing me right now. There we go. Good. The Arc-1s. On to the grand finale now.